Execution pins set the order of operations, aka nodes, in blueprints. Simply put, the order, or flow, in which things happen in your game. Using a practical example, we'll demonstrate the usage of these pins, alongside various types of flow control. Branch, use when you need to make a yes or no decision. Example, checking if I have the requirements to open the door. Sequence, use when you need multiple actions to happen in a specific order from one trigger. Example, whenever the door is opening, 1. Actually open the door. 2. Inform the player via debug. 3. Play VFX. Switch, use when a single variable that can have multiple possible values and you need different results for each. Example, whenever checking for the light button state, pending whichever state is already present, switch to a different color and keep track of the total score. Flip-flop, use when you need something to toggle between two states each time it's activated. Example, when the door is either open or closed. Gate, use when you need to control whether execution can proceed or not, based on some condition. Example, when one of the lights is waiting for both overlapping, being close to the interaction point, and pressing the interaction button, the gate is open and closes when we are no longer close to the interaction point. Now for a quick rundown of the whole thing, a door that requires a color code key to be open. Let's try it out. Bonus tip on execution pins. If you ever find yourself creating execution pins, like in macros, in order to make them look like unnamed pins, name input as execute and output as then. Or, if you're feeling cheeky, using underscore, which works for any type of variable. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.